Yo, got a new pickup in today. First time ordering off the Goat app. Took a while because of the Christmas delays, so then the seller has to send it to Goat, and then Goat will authenticate the shoes for you, so you're making sure that the shoes are legit. Picked these up for a great price. I actually sent them an offer and they took it after like 3 days. This is my first pair of these as well. You can tell it's a Yeezy box. Okay, so this is a Yeezy Boost 750s, size 7, went whole size down. Color is brown gum. This is the chocolates, I believe. I mean, resale on these is not too high. Like, prices are like under 700. Okay, nothing. So, Goat, airgoat.com. You can download the app, and this is just like a authenticity card that they checked it and everything was good to go. From Goat, comes with a little dust bag for the shoes. There's two, it's all black. So these are DS that I bought. Here you go. Very nice quality of the suede. Has that gum bottoms. Check out the Boost. This is my first pair of these. These look really nice. Prices on these were really low. Offered him a good price and he took it. Has the 3 stripes on the strap. Has that Adidas branding on the shoe. Check out the other pair. Here you go, other pair. 3 stripes, and it says YZY. Check out the toe box. I actually like this colorway. I don't know why prices are so low, but I like them. Check out that Boost. Dead stock. This is Adidas and Yeezy on the inside. Has a strap. And right here has a zipper. Check it out. It says YKK on the zipper. Yeah, just a quick pickup video. Thanks for watching. Got a new pickup coming in tomorrow from Goat as well. So yeah, quick pickup. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Peace.